In this video, we will learn how to create a line graph from a table. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a line graph like the one you see on your screen. Let's get started. The table below shows how many goals the Douglas Middle School soccer team scored in each game. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph. We have a table below that shows the number of goals scored in each game. Now let's set up our graph. We'll start with a title at the top. Then we'll put games 1 to 5 on the x-axis and give that axis a label. For the y-axis, since we need to go from 1 to 4 goals, let's label the lines from 1 to 4. We are going to take each of our points from our table and plot them on our graph. After we graph each point, we will connect them with a line. First, we will graph game 1. For game 1, the team scored 1 goal, so we will plot this point here. Next, we will graph game 2. During game 2, the team scored 4 goals, so we will plot our next point here. Now that we have 2 points, we will connect these 2 points with a line. Now we will graph game 3. During game 3, the team scored 3 points. We will plot our point here and connect it to the previous point with a line. For game 4, the team scored 3 goals. We will plot this point here and connect it to the previous point with a line. Finally, we will plot game 5. During game 5, the team scored 2 goals, so we will plot our point here and connect it to the previous point with a line. Now we have graphed all 5 of our points and connected them with lines, so we have created our line graph. The lines in the line graph help you see how values in the graph are changing as you move from left to right. Our next example says, the following table shows the average temperatures in Portland, Oregon. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph. We have a table below that lists seasons with their average temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit. We'll add a title to our graph and put the seasons along the x-axis. For the y-axis, let's go by tens, starting at 0 and ending at 90, to make sure all of our values will fit on the graph. Let's start plotting our points. First, spring has an average temperature of 60 degrees Fahrenheit, so we'll plot our point here. Next, let's plot summer at 80 degrees Fahrenheit and connect our points with a line. In fall, Portland had an average temperature of 60 degrees Fahrenheit, so we will plot our point here and connect our point with a line. And finally, we have winter with an average temperature of 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so we will plot our final point here and connect the dots. We've plotted all of our points and connected each point with a line, so we have created our line graph. Our final example says, a famous comedian posted a new video on Saturday. The table below shows the number of views each day over the first 5 days. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph. We have a table that shows the day and the number of views. To make our graph, we'll start with a title and put the days along the x-axis. For the y-axis, it looks like our values range between about 10,000 and 15,000. The smallest number is really big, 10,000. We can put a break in our y-axis, shown by the squiggle at the bottom, and make a jump from 0 to 10,000. After 10,000, we can use smaller increments of 500 to reach 15,000. Let's plot our points. On the first day of posting, Saturday, the video had 10,000 views, so we'll plot our point here. On Sunday, the video was viewed 11,000 times, so we'll plot our point here and connect our line. On Monday, the video got 13,500 new views, so we will plot our point here and connect our points with a line. On Tuesday, the video got 14,000 new views, so we will plot our point here and connect our line. And finally, on Wednesday, the video got 14,500 new views, so we will plot our final point here and connect our points with a line. We've plotted our points and connected them with a line, so we have created our line graph. Thank you for watching.